Jimmy grew up wild like a Blackfoot daisy, out in the shack with a blue tick hound. Broke as hell, but blessed with beauty, the kind that a rich man can't turn down. She caught the eye of an oil man dancing one summer night in a dime store dress. She had the looks, he had the mansion, and you can figure out the rest. It was all roses, dripping in diamonds, sipping on champagne. She was all uptown, wearing that white gown, taking it her last name. She could hear those church bells ringing, ringing. And up in the loft, that whole choir singing, singing. Fold your hands and close your eyes, yeah, it's all gonna be alright. And just listen to the church bells ringing, ringing. Yeah, they're ringing. Jenny was hosting junior league parties and having dinner at the country club. Everyone thought they were Lynn and Barbie, but Kim was always getting way too drunk. Saturday night, after a few too many, he came home ready to fight, and all his money could never save Jenny from the devil living in his eyes. It was all bruises, covered in makeup, dark sunglasses. That next morning, sitting in the back, you playing with the Baptist. She could hear those church bells ringing, ringing. Up in the loft, that whole choir singing, singing. Hold your hands and close your eyes, yeah, it's all gonna be alright. And just listen to the church bells ringing, ringing. Yeah, they're ringing. Tennessee sipping his Tennessee whiskey. No all man was ever gonna find, and how he died is still a mystery. But he hit a woman for the very last time. She could hear those church bells ringing, ringing. He's standing there in a black dress, singing, singing. Fold your hands and close your eyes, yeah, it's all gonna be alright. Just listen to the church bells ringing, ringing. Yeah, they're ringing.